Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Innocence Treatment. And the quote on here says, "What you don't know can hurt you." And nobody knows that better than our main character, Lauren. This takes place in 2031, and she is considered the innocence girl. She's very naive and very happy and thinks that everything that her friends tell her is true. And she thinks that everyone is her friend. So when she is given the opportunity to have a surgery to correct her strange condition, she jumps on it. But now, is it the surgery that has caused Lauren to be a paranoid lunatic with violent tendencies, or is she just the person doing what has always needed to be done? So this is actually told from a series of journal entries and doctors' transcripts and things like that. But it is a fiction story. But it is told from the perspective of Lauren's sister. So it makes you wonder what actually happened to Lauren. So to find out, read The Innocence Treatment. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.